Hello, I'm Alexander from Trading Price Section on Futures.com. It's 8th June of 2015, and this is the recap for 3 consecutive days. Could not do the daily videos, so we will recap 3 trading days: Tuesday, Friday, and Monday. For this recap, I'm using a 2-minute chart to preserve some nuances of my trading strategy. So let's take the chart back up here and look at Tuesday, the 4th of June. I took a total of 4 trades, 3 losers and one winner. It was a difficult day. Not in a sense that we could clearly see what the direction was from that day. It was down. Let's begin with recapping the beginning of the trading day. We broke support here. We were looking for an entry short here. But we didn't get the entry here. This pullback was too shallow to enter on our trading chart, so no valid entry there. Eventually entered here after a second attempt of price wanted to go up here, and made a second attempt to go up and failed. Entered short here, got stopped out. I think it was for let me grab my notes of the day here. For 6 ticks of loss there. Yes, so trade 1. Was -6, -6, -6. Outcome -18 ticks. So after that, the only thing that we could do was watching the market going down again. Eventually took a re-entry here. Again stopped out at 16 ticks. And this one got a slippage of 4 ticks, I think. Market was volatile today. Second trade -16. Oh, sorry. Outcome -48 ticks. Then third trade. Again, basically all the trades were trend trades here, all in the direction of the major trend. Third trade that with entry at 39 got 2 contracts off at 15 ticks, and the last contract was took off at 11. Had my last target sitting at I think it was at exactly 57.99. Entry was exactly, yes, my last target was at 57.99, but was stopped out here at 11 ticks. There was no follow through here on this candle. So trade 3 plus 15. No, sorry, 16. I got 1 tick of slippage on the plus 11. Outcome plus 42, 3 ticks. Yes, 16 ticks on the first target here. Then after that took a counter trend trade. It was setting up perfectly on the chart, on both charts, higher time frame and the trading chart. We had a resistance level in place. Price broke the resistance level here, bounced back to prior resistance that turned into support. So got an entry here at 58.41. It was a stop out, 2 ticks of slippage at 12 ticks of stop loss. Was sitting at 12 ticks at the time, and got 14 on the exit here. So trade for that day was minus 14. Minus 14. Let's go minus 42 ticks. So difficult day. Prior day was a difficult day too, I think. Let's take a look. Yes. So had to give some of my profits back in these two days. Daily outcome minus 65 ticks. And that's minus 650 bucks for the day. It's a tough day, can happen in trading. So let's move on to Friday. We had OPEC meetings on Friday. It was a very volatile market. These here were very volatile swings in the market. I ended up passing one trade. It was at the time, if you look at these swings here, it was very volatile. But I will explain the setup. The setup was sitting here. I had my order in at the time, but cancelled the order. I was not liking those big swings. There was a high probability that my stop loss could be hit at the time. So I ended up cancelling my order. We had a support level in place. The support level was broken, and we could see a double top sitting here. So a good sign that market could go back down again. The entry was I think 58.11, 58.10. So the setup, I passed the setup. It was a good setup. It was a major move, a big move down. This here was not tradable. It was a very tight pullback. Was not good. So if you wanted to trade this, you had to risk too much, I think. After that, market broke a resistance area back up. Pulled back. We got the entry. It was a beautiful trade. Took 2 contracts off at 15, one at 40. Don't know if I got any slippage. I don't think so. No. So trade 1 plus 15 plus 15 plus 14 outcome plus 70 ticks. After that it was basically over. I tend to close the room 1 hour earlier on Friday, but if you look at those moves, it was a very volatile market for Friday because of the OPEC meetings. So only 2 possibilities for us on that day. We're sitting here and here. We took 1 trade, cancelled the first one. I was not totally sure about the volatility at the time, so didn't want to risk too much. Daily outcome plus 17. That is plus 700 bucks on Friday. Let's move on to Monday. No trades for Monday. I ended to closing the room at I think it was here. Market was in a very tight trading range, right at the open of the trading room. We could see that we were sitting in a tight trading range, and every time price tried to break the range, you got a pullback into the area, giving us a bad area to enter. And basically there were no setups yesterday. We were looking for a break of the area, but price was just sitting in a tight trading range, and we sit here the whole day, and price was basically sitting in a 50 tick trading range. So nothing we can do there. So there's really nothing to recap for the Monday here. It can happen from now and then, but I think it is a good exercise for new traders to sit on the sidelines here. If the market is not moving, we cannot make it move. So just wait for a break, and if we don't get the break, there will be a next day tomorrow. And eventually it did move a little bit here, but not much. So that was basically it. Recap for 3 trading days. Had 2 tough days last week, but I think that's normal. That can happen in trading. So if you like this, just subscribe and take a look at the website, and don't forget to subscribe to my email list, and we'll see you back tomorrow.